my channel. So you see it, girl, you see it, okay. We came through with the bar transformation, the DIY, whatever you want to call it, whatever I'm gonna title this video. And I'm just so excited, so proud about this project. The first of many projects, honey. So stay tuned for my apartment series because I will be doing like different projects in my apartment just to, you know, give it my vibe and just, you know, have this apartment feel like home. So I am so happy about this bar, baby, because this right here is home for me, sipping on my Stella, okay, just chilling out for the night and just catching a vibe. I am all for a good vibe. I think this is so cute for like when you got friends over, or you got a little date or whatever, a little sneaky link, or you just want to be by yourself, catch a vibe, sip on your drink, mind your business, chill. So yes, girl, I am super excited about how my bar turned out. It was super easy to do. Y'all will see it all in this video. So if y'all want to see how I did my DIY bar, how I turned it from nothing into something, okay, go ahead and stay tuned. So we are finally about to get started on this bar. I am so excited, so ready to just get it out the way. But before we start, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all everything that I am using, where I got it from, pricing, all of this. So let's get into it. So first things first, here is the grass that I'm using. I got this from Sam's. It was like $80. I was gonna use this for my patio till I realized it was too small. So I bought a new one for my patio, and I just decided instead of taking this back, I'm gonna put it to use and do my little grass wall or whatever. So girl, here is the main event, the beautiful wine rack. And I found this on Amazon. Everything that I bought off Amazon will be linked down below in my Amazon store. So shop my Amazon store, help us sister make a little bit of coin. This is just like so perfect. It goes with my vibe, with like the wood and stuff. And it was just so easy to assemble and everything. So yeah, I can't wait to get this up. And the next little thing I have here, another Amazon find. I have this little bar light. I think this is so cute. It has like a little battery box, and you can also plug it up. And look at that, girl. She lit. It got all types of different modes. Hold on, we ain't done yet. Wow, baby, it got a whole remote to it. So it can do like different things, like different modes, timer. You wanna, you know, chill vibe, you can do a little fade. You know what I'm saying? What kind of vibe you going for? It all depends on you. To really spice everything up, I got these lights. I got these lights from Lowe's, LED tape lights or whatever. And to hang up the grass wall, I just got my toolbox here. I'll just be using like some screws, just some extra screws that I have in here. Got my little electric screwdriver, and we about to get it in. Now, I don't know if this is like really rental friendly, like as far as like you can do it and get away without like making a mess and like not having to pay for something. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to pay for these holes that I make underneath the underneath here, because it's not really common to have holes, like, you know, hang stuff up underneath a bar area. Or I could just patch up the holes myself before I move out. But I'm gonna go ahead and screw it in with these so it can be nice and secure and doesn't fall off. Here we have my bar stools. I got these from Wayfair maybe like a year ago. And they still holding up pretty good, so I'm gonna keep them for now. Eventually I do want to change out my bar stools to something a little more my style, but for now we're gonna make it do what it do. Okay, Alexa, turn off. I'm liking this grass. It's seeming to be like it's all right. I like how soft it is. It's a nice grass. We can work with it. I feel like I gotta like fluff it out because of how it was packaged. Like, you know, get it all just going the same way. But the grass looks like it's a go, so we about to go ahead and get it set up. I'm gonna just measure right here where I want the grass. And I'm gonna just stop at the bottom and the tops of these. I might put some on there. I'm gonna just cut the grass to fit the wall. Much easier to use this. All right, I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of my mistakes. Do not use scissors. Look at all this grass. Look when I switched over to the box cutter. Perfect, no grass, no mess. It's just like some of the strings coming off, but I mean, that's nothing. Definitely do not use scissors. Use that. It's looking cute. As I was doing it, I decided I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it around this way. I'll do that later. We just gonna focus on the bar for right now, and it is looking good, baby. I did get a little like bubble spots, like you probably can't tell, but this part is like, y'all can see that it kind of didn't come out like super even. That was like a little tricky to do, but for the most part it looks good. We did that. So now it's time for the lights, and instead of like doing, because it came with like little screws and little mounting things, but instead of, you know, making all these holes, I'm just gonna use these bad boys. I'm just gonna use command strips. So yeah. Try these lights on. Okay. Period. Look at our little lights. And look at this, y'all. I'm gonna have a party. I'm gonna have a party. Sierra J's is officially open for business, baby. Okay, so now it's time to hang this thing up. And I'm gonna just do a test because glasses go at the bottom of this, so I need to see, like, you know, how high I want it. So we'll put this glass here. Make sure we got enough clearance. Ooh, ooh, Lord. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. About here? No, I think that's too high. Maybe about here? Okay. That's a good height. So now, gotta make sure it's leveled. Sorry for making all this noise at 9 o'clock. Y'all probably like, what the fuck is wrong with this girl? It's so fucking loud. Dang it. Alright, 2 more hits and this need to be in there. Girl! Okay, I'm done. Neighbors, don't come knocking on my door. I'm done. I'm done, bro. Girl, look at all the Stella. Okay, we're not done yet though. I just wanted to show y'all where I always get my champagne glasses and my wine glasses, girl. The Dollar Tree, okay. I love me some Dollar Tree. I love the wine glasses. I've been buying my wine glasses and my champagne glasses there for years. They last a long time, like, you know, they only $1, so. Yeah, let's get to hanging, honey. Wait a minute. Ah, she's in the bar. It's nighttime, we vibing out. Do y'all see this? Like, I'm shook right now at how freaking cute this turned out. Like, I knew it was gonna be cute, but I didn't know it was gonna be this cute. I am so in love with my bar, like so in love. I'm so happy I finally got this project done. Make sure if you love it, okay, give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and please stay tuned for my apartment revamp series because I have so many more projects to do and I'm gonna definitely be taking y'all along with me. But for now, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna enjoy this project, we're gonna chill, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna chill, we're gonna sip on our wine. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to see some pictures. And yeah, subscribe, girl. If you ain't subscribed, come on and join the crew. That is it for now. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out. Y'all still here? Girl, I said peace out.